All right, so it looks like Nvidia stock is selling off to start off the day. It's about 11:15 a.m. right now on the East Coast, and we have Nvidia down almost 2.5%, down over $3 per share, trading just above $140 per share. And mind you, this is in the middle of a red day for the stock market. All the indexes are down, and the VIX is up over 4%. So we have to break down Nvidia, my thoughts on the charts, my trading plan, and what I'm looking to do in general. So guys, hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and get up to 15 stocks from Moomoo. Listen to this: once you open up your account and fund it with at least $100, you get 5 stocks and you get a $30 cash reward. And fund your account with at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks, and overall your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, that's the best deal on the market right now. So if you want some free money, free stocks, and you want to help out the channel, use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/moomoo. Get your money, guys. And with that being said, cheers. Let's get right into the video. So check it out. Like I said, Nvidia is selling off to start off the day here, and it got down all the way to $138.26 this morning, guys, which means at one point we were down almost 4%. And since that point, we have rallied a bit, but it doesn't look too promising here for the bulls, guys, as we rallied, got rejected here at this trend line and the moving average on the intraday chart, and now it looks like clearly we're starting to dump back down. Does it not? I mean, this is not the best look for the bulls in the short term. And here on the 5-day, 5-minute, you guys can see how the stock is slipping under the lows from yesterday. Now it looks like we're heading to the lows from Monday morning, where we hit around 137, 138. So that's where maybe we, bounce, find support in the short term. But overall, guys, look, the trend is still looking decent. We're holding pretty well right here. You guys can see we're in this channel right now, clear as day. And even though we are down 2.5% on the day right now, we're still technically holding higher lows, right? You guys see that here on the 5-day, 5-minute. And if I pull up, let's say, this 20-day chart, we're still above the 180 SMA. Uptrend is still looking pretty good. So you could make a clear argument that this was a much-needed healthy pullback on Nvidia stock after it hit an all-time high literally yesterday. Or was that 2 days ago? Either way, we hit an all-time high just now at $144.50. Very good. And on the 4-hour chart, you all remember this ascending triangle breakout that we called out. Let me show you guys this right here. It looks like that's playing out still. Well, we saw it break out. We hit the all-time high. Now we're simply pulling back within the overall breakout. So in the short term, guys, it is ideal for the bulls to hold 138 to 140 here on Nvidia stock. And preferably to start pushing back to the mid-140s. We'll see, though. We'll see. Time will tell. I mean, you guys know Nvidia stock has gone up so much in just the past couple of weeks. You can't expect it to keep going up forever. We're going to get time periods like this of selling, maybe some time periods of flat trading. So let's break down this app that I've been using quickly. This tool, rather, that I've been using that's been helping me with my trading. Before we dive deeper into the charts and maybe look at the indexes here, let me show you guys this this tool called edgeful.com. I think we covered it in my video yesterday as well. Give me a second here, guys. This makes my trading decisions a lot easier, right? It gives you data, it gives you insight, which when you're trading stocks, guys, when you're trying to get a grasp of what's going on in the short term, that's very important. You need data, you need insights. And I love the different report types, the different research you can do with this platform. It's phenomenal. So we're looking at the price action report type here, and the actual report we're looking at is right here, the ORB, the opening range breakout. And this is very useful when you're, again, looking at different stocks to trade, to kind of get an idea of what they've been doing in the past, kind of the price action. And you can look at a bunch of different stocks, in this case Nvidia, and you can filter between different date ranges. So in this case, we're looking at the last month. So this, again, is the opening range breakout report, and this shows you over the last month how many times we've broken out of the opening range, which we'll talk about in a second what that means, how many breakdowns we've had, how many double breaks, no breaks, and the total opening range breakouts here, or sessions in this case, which is 21. So over the past month, guys, 47% of the time Nvidia has broken out of the opening range, 28% it's broken down, double break 19%, and no break less than 5%. So let me show you essentially what this is and how it pretty much calculates this. So the opening range is where the stock is trading in the first 15 minutes, the low and the high. Whatever that range is, guys, that is the range that the data is pulled from pretty much. So if we come down a little bit here, we can see the breakout. A breakout is, classified as when the price only breaks to the top side of the opening range breakout, or the range, right? So again, Nvidia in this case is 47%. A breakdown is when the price breaks only to the downside of the opening range. Double break, price breaks both above and below the opening range. So that's a pretty volatile day if you break out of the range and then later you're breaking to the bottom of the range, to the downside, you're breaking down. And no break obviously is self-explanatory. Price remains inside the opening range without breaking either side all day. And how can you use this? Well, use this report to help align your trades with the behavior of the opening range. Very important. A lot of trading comes in the first 30 minutes, and after the first 15-30 minutes of trading every morning, you get more insight on how the market could be looking the rest of the day. You kind of get a stock or the market sets the tone in the first 15 minutes of trading. So if breakouts or breakdowns occur most frequently, you can expect stronger continuation in that direction after the break, right? So in this case, again, Nvidia has broken out 10 times out of the last 21 opening ranges. That's 47% of the time. So the way that you can trade this, guys, and the way I'm looking at it, using it for my trading on Nvidia stock, is if we notice a break above the 15 or the upper range in the first 15 minutes of trading, if we get that break, that would be a signal to go long, because more times than not, this month at least, that breakout has continued, right? When we took out that the upper level of that range. So that's just one way you can use edgeful.com, guys. It's a very useful tool. We've covered it before here on YouTube. I use it for my trading, and like I say all the time, I've said it in this video, I'll say it again. When you're trading stocks, guys, you need insight, you need data. You can't just blindly go and trade stocks. You need some numbers. You need something behind your decisions, right? Whether it's indicators, tools, price action, whatever. And this gives you a lot of insight into all of those things. So if you want to try edgeful.com, guys, feel free. I'll leave the link down below in the description box, or just go to the comment section. Either one, you'll find it there. Make sure to go check it out. Again, it's a very useful tool, useful platform, And yeah, Nvidia at this point, man, is selling off a little bit, but I do suspect we will get a bit of consolidation. Dare I say, a bounce back anywhere from the mid high 130s, low 140s. I think that's where, buyers will come in. So for now, I'm going to set my alert at $141 per share. Mark is at or above $141 per share. If that were to break, maybe we start making the move back to the mid 140s. Time will tell, though, guys. Time will tell. So what do you think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'm very curious overall kind of where your head's at. And don't forget to sign up to my email list. It's free. Link down below in the description box. And don't forget to get up to 15 stocks from Moomoo. I'm telling you guys, this is the best deal right now by far. Open up your account and fund it with at least $100. You get 5 stocks and you get a $30 cash reward. And fund your account with at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks. And overall, no matter how much money you deposit, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, that's the best deal right now. So check out the link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. Get your money. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.